Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain.
Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out the I always say DEERC, but it's DRC. So this is for 14 years and older. That's what their recommended age group is. It's a 4-wheel drive, brushless motor. 300E is the model. So let's get unboxing, show you guys what it is, and let's actually test it out. All right guys, first we're going to give you a rundown on everything that you get, and then we're going to show you guys the truck a little closer. They give you a second body. Now both bodies have a protective plastic piece on. It's like a film, so you can pull that off if you want the vehicle to look even cooler. So right now it's kind of a dull look, but if you peel this off, it looks way better. You get 2 batteries, screwdriver, charger. You can take the wheels on and off. They give you more accessories for the vehicle as well as a bag. This is your remote. So standard remote, backwards, forward, sorry guys, not backwards. It's 90 degrees. I think I'm losing it. Left and right. Trigger, pull it down to go forward, push it up to go backwards. You have your steering trim, you have your speed switch, your on and off. And underneath here, it's gonna take probably 3 AA batteries. So again, that's the batteries for the remote. These are the batteries for your actual vehicle. So let's go ahead and show you the vehicle itself. So guys, this is the bad boy. Really nice. I'm always impressed with their RC vehicles. They have, I don't think I've ever been let down with their vehicles. So to get to the battery and all the goodies, you have to pull these pins out. And once you pull the pins out, you can access the motor and everything else. And it just pops off like this. So you're gonna have all your stuff under here. Your battery's gonna go right in here. So you pull this pin, put the battery in, push the pin back in, connect it to the T connector. You're gonna have your on and off button right in here. So guys, it's just gonna go like this. Pop the pin out, set that right off to the side, lift this up, set that to the side, and now your battery is gonna go in. So you're gonna see how you wanna put your battery. Make sure you line it up. The T goes, the red goes red, black goes with black. Once you place it in, go ahead, tuck your battery down in, take this piece, put it right back in to hold your battery in place. Take your pin. All right, now go ahead, press the on button. It's gonna beep. Once it beeps, go ahead, turn your remote on. Once your remote's on, it's gonna move a little bit. Now let's put the body back on and we're good to go. And again, guys, you can adjust the speed with this, so you can have it really fast or slow. That's up to you guys. And this has no problem going through any terrain. As you guys can see, grass is not an issue. I mean, look at this thing. It's a monster. Look at this thing. I mean, it is an absolutely monster. I mean, again, another DRC vehicle that has not let me down. Look how fast this thing is, and we're not even full throttle. So we're going to lower the speed so it doesn't wreck. So now if we lower the speed, this is low speed, guys. So we're going to drop the speed down the whole way. So this is as slow as it goes. And as you guys can see, it's still pretty fast. It's faster than a lot of RC cars out there. And keep in mind, guys, we're in the grass. Now let's up the speed just a little bit. So depending on where you're driving, this is good, having it lower speed in the grass so it doesn't flip or wipe out. Seriously, guys, another DRC vehicle that has blown my mind. I mean, look at the speed. Look how fast this is. I mean, it's insane. It's insane. We're not speeding up the video at all, guys. This is normal speed. I mean, what? Look at this. Absolutely monster. It's actually doing a good job of recovering itself too.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering.